Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Today's day 7 of our around the world trip.
Yes, it is.
So we're still in the Maldives, and look, it's still sunny out.
Yes,
We're
warm.
very lucky. It's warm too, yeah. Yeah, we're very lucky because the week before we got here, it rained a lot apparently. But we've had sunshine every day.
Yeah, so that's nice.
It's been really, really nice. So today is day 7 of our around the world trip, and we're still in the Maldives. But then we started getting ready for our next country.
Mm-hmm.
It's Malaysia.
Malaysia, we gotta do some
So we gotta-
passports.
Yeah.
Visas.
We gotta do our little documentation to go to Malaysia because you go and do it 3 days ahead of time.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna do that today, and maybe we'll go snorkeling in the little cove area here.
Well, yep.
Won't be as scary.
Yep. Well, have fun.
We'll see you later. Today I got cereal and strawberry yogurt and a mimosa, and I have French toast coming. And Tim is out looking for everything. Well, I am enjoying the view. My French toast is really good. What did you get, sweetheart?
Waffles,
A waffle?
eggs, potatoes, and beans.
And beans? Oh, interesting.
Cheers.
Cheers. You didn't drink it. Put on our bed.
Yeah.
That's so adorable. He must have made it out of the leaves.
Yep, he did. Yeah.
That's so cute. We're eating at the Asian restaurant tonight and trying something new. What do you think?
Looks lovely. Good evening.
Hi. Today is our day 7.
Mm-hmm.
Our second to last day here.
Last day, yeah, beautiful day. We had a nice day.
It was a very nice
Had
day.
lovely breakfast. Then we came back here.
We did nothing.
Did nothing until I went and worked out, and then 3 o'clock we went and had our hors d'oeuvres and our drinks, and that was
Met a
nice.
lovely couple from Norfolk, Virginia.
Talked for a long time.
Yeah, about 2 hours. Really nice couple.
Yep.
Very
and
nice.
then we went and had a Asian dinner at the beach.
And I tried something new.
Mhm.
It was really good though. I liked it.
Mhm.
I would have it again. It would kind of reminded me of beef stroganoff in a coconut
Yeah, it was
milk.
pulled beef with rice, so it was
Yeah,
good.
jasmine rice.
Mhm.
It had coconut milk in it, so it was really good. It wasn't too spicy, I didn't think. I liked it. I'd have it
Yeah.
again.
Yep.
How much was that?
Oh, it was $84 or something like that.
$84 for dinner because we
Yeah,
shared
We
it.
just had water, so it was a little expensive.
I did order the House Hilton water bottle, and that was $4. And then with taxes and gratuities, it was $87 for dinner for one meal and water.
Yep.
But it was
a
good.
lovely day. We had a nice breakfast. We met a couple. He was 60. She was 26. They've been married for 6 years. And then once we mentioned the age difference.
We didn't mention the age
didn't-
difference.
Yeah, we
Let's
didn't really
be clear about
mention
this. There was
it.
no we in this
We
conversation.
just asked her how old she was.
No, we did not. We did not do that.
After she said he's 60, I'm 26. She didn't want to talk anymore. So
To
she's
you.
in Poland. So, oh well.
Yes.
Oops.
What did they say? What did your
So
brother
if
tell
a
you?
woman looks really, really young and he looks really, really old, don't say a word. Don't say
Tim learned a lesson today. I don't think he learned it very well because I'm
nothing.
sure he'll ask somebody else
I think
again.
it's hilarious. But hey, I just nice to meet. And they had 2 kids. That was good.
So we spent $287 today in the Maldives.
Mm-hmm.
That's what the video's about.
Yeah.
So, and we have a $50 credit still left over, so it was only $37.
Oh, okay.
So after our 200, because we spent so much the night, $74, then I think 80 something, and then this one, I think we're going to be owing about $35 now, maybe $40. But then we still have dinner tomorrow night. So
see what happens
yeah, but hopefully it'll be less than $200 that we owe at the end of this.
at the very
After
end.
the end of our credits.
Can only hope.
The credits will have to apply first, but yeah.
Okay. Well, you have a wonderful evening.
We'll
Where
see you in
go?
the morning.
Yeah, we'll talk to you later.
Last day here tomorrow.
Last